Hi guys, a really quick tip on how to make the perfect crepe. So once you've got your batter made and rested, get yourself a pan on a medium-high heat. Get yourself some butter and just gently rub on the bottom of your pan. Ladle in just enough batter to coat the base of the pan. Angle your wrists from one side to the other so that the batter swoops around the pan to make one complete base. Crepes, pancakes, whatever you want to call them, they're beautiful things. Ultimately, you want your pancake to cook in about 1 minute each side. Carefully use your hands, a fish slice, or go for a toss. If it's taking too long to cook, turn the heat up. If it's cooking too quickly, turn the pan down. And then finally, you find that place where you get a lovely, light golden pancake, super silky and soft, and you can cook them in batches and put them on top of each other, one at a time. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Until next time, bye.